Sorry about that, man.
It's all good. All right, guys, so I'm gonna say we're probably at 6 inches so far. Maybe even more. We were aiming for about 4 inches, but it's coming down so heavy right now. And I say 4 inches for our first plow. We're a bit above that, which will be fine. We're just gonna have to do this in stages. And yeah, the good thing is it happened on the weekend. So don't gotta be crazy and get everything open up. Our company that actually typically opens up this morning canceled work because we're under a state of emergency. Whew. Alright, so that Boss stainless 9.2 is scraping really good. Spencer Lawn Care.
Hi.
Hi, who's calling?
First time. My parking lot with plow is constant.
Yeah, hon, I'm sorry. I'd love to take your commercial lot on, but we are not taking on any new customers at this time of the year.
Okay. Do you know anyone?
I don't know anyone right now. It's going to be extremely hard waiting till this time of the year with you know, to try to get a snowplow service, especially in a snowstorm like this.
Well, my landlord used to do it, but I don't know, maybe he's on vacation, so he need to get some. It's fine. Thank you.
All right, have a good day. All right, guys, working away at it. Snow's almost as tall as the fence already, and it is only picking up. So yeah, we're plowing 6th. Yeah, so we're plowing off right now about 7-8 inches possibly of snow, and yeah, we're working at it. Got 3 trucks going. All right, guys, still working through the first plow off here, which is just a continued drag out because it's coming down as fast as we can plow it. And yeah, I need to run and get a gas station opened up real quick, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is a gas station we picked up for this event. We're really close to it. Ambiflex is literally right there. We don't have any plow markers though, so kind of sucks. This is when the accident happened. So if you see over here to the left, Steven's coming down the main road here, and you'll hear the skid loader start beeping. Well, he just didn't stop. He came out too far and ran right into the side of the truck. And yeah, it's an accident. It happens. I am going to blur the guy's information out because I'm not trying to get anybody in trouble. We're going to handle it behind the scenes. Who you plowing for? I'm gonna need to get his information. My guy said you backed into the dump truck.
No way.
Yeah, you can see your tracks right where he was pushing the snow. If you want to walk over here, I'll show you real quick. It probably didn't even notice it in this thing. Accidents happen, you know.
I'm sorry about that, man.
It's all good. It's crazy, ain't it? The snow?
Yeah, this shit is crazy. Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
It's all good, dude. Shit happens, you know. You're out here working, and anyways, he was right there, and he said he was just getting ready to go forward. You can see where he knocked my salt off. He said you just backed up, and when you swung it, just caught the corner here.
Damn.
You can see where it's shiny. Just peeled that a little bit, that, and down here.
All right, I'm gonna take a picture of that too.
Cool, man. Just tell him to get a hold of me, and
All right, can I have your name and number?
yeah, my name's Sean Spencer.
All right, and then I'll send them that right now. I'll tell them to get a
Cool.
hold of you.
Just tell him to get a hold of me after
All
the
right.
storm, man. It's
All
not a big deal.
Hey, sorry about that, man.
It's all good.
You guys have a good one.
You too. Stay safe.
I was like, because I felt it, it pushed the truck over, and then I looked, and he looked back, and then he just kept, I figured he would have stopped, he just kept going.
Yeah. Anyways, messed the corner of the bed up. Nice shiny spot there. Nice spot there. Nice spot there. That rolled that over pretty good. Anyways, I don't see anything else. I'm glad the salt spreader is good.
At least nothing got moved.
Yeah, nobody's hurt. I'm good. We'll get back to work and we'll fix that another day.
Yeah.